Hi everybody, Colleen here from Colleen Beauty and Fashion. So today is day 8 of my Mature Makeup Challenge, 30 products in 30 days from 30 different brands. And first I'm going to start today off with the shopping. So have a look at what I did at the drugstore. A couple of YouTubers say that the Profusion palettes are really good. So we have the Enchanted one here. Some pretty colors in there, but I just got the Huda Beauty's kind of similar. And here's the Maybelline Lip Lifters on sale. Look at those. I've been curious to try these Maybelline ink liquid lipsticks too. It might be a fun color, that pink one up there. And here's more of the Lifter Gloss. Lots of colors here. And also have these CoverGirl Outlast all day lipsticks. So I chose the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. There it is. And this is the color 02 Opal. And I chose this one because it's very pale. It's like a clear gloss, but it does have a little bit of opal-y shimmer in it. So I thought that would be good because I can put it over other things as well, besides wearing it on its own in the summer. So I thought that would be good. And let's just give it a little swatch and see if you can see it. I think you should be able to. Where is it? There. Can you see? I think you can see it there, kind of shining in the light. So what I plan to do today is take one of the things that I featured in another one of these videos in the 30-day challenge, and that's the Essence Lip Liner in the color Passionate. It's a red, and I think red will go nice with my little striped sweater, which the French call the Marionnaire sweater. It's a staple in a French woman's closet. So we're going to use this not only as a liner, but I'm going to use it to fill in the color, and then I'm going to go over it with the lip gloss. So here we go. So here I go with the lip liner. It's a really great, like cherry red. I'll swatch it for you so you can see this too, in case you didn't see that other video. But it's on the playlist if you want to watch it. It's on the playlist of the 30-day challenge that I've put together. But there it is. It's just a really great, nice, bright, cheery red color. And it goes on really smoothly. So I've kind of made my outline. I'm going to fill it in. See, so you can use it as an all-over lip color. You can, but it's very dry. It's drying to do it this way. So I'm going to put the gloss over it. And I think that'll act more like a, make it like a glossy lipstick kind of effect. So let's see if that works. And maybe I'll do this in the mirror. And do my little trick that my grandmother taught me that I showed in another video. Just use the knuckle of your thumb to make your Cupid's bow. So I think that works pretty well. I mean, you get a nice glossy finish in a nice red color. And I think it's nice, you know, nice colors for spring. So we'll give it a shot and we'll see how this works. I have to say, it's a tiny bit sticky. Tiny bit, but not too bad. I think I do see a little bit of plumping, but nothing, you know, boom, like you would get with other things. What it doesn't have, that the Essence Plumping Lip Gloss that I really like has, that one has chili extract, so it stings. And you feel it when you go on your lips, which doesn't bother me, but it definitely works. This one, it is plumping, I can see that. And it definitely makes your lines in your lips less noticeable, so that's awesome. So we'll see how long it lasts. I'm going to check in with you in a couple hours, and in the meantime I'm going to have some lunch, and I won't touch up at all. I'll just come back and show you what's happened with this lip look, okay? So we'll see you in a bit. I also wanted to mention, please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you're enjoying this content and the 30-day challenge and the other fashion and things that I have on my channel. It's geared towards the mature woman and lifestyle, and mostly beauty and fashion. So if you'd like to enjoy my content and see when I post things up, another video up, you can subscribe and then you'll know. And hit the notification bell too, and then you'll know for sure, okay? I'd really appreciate it. We're growing our community a little bit at a time, and I'm having a lot of fun with all of you. Thanks so much. So here we are. I've had some lunch, and I did a few things around the house, and I thought I'd shoot this video in the window of my apartment. I have the day off today, and so I thought it would get, you know, we get in some nice bright sunshine and see how we're doing with this lip gloss. And so I have to say, you know, it's mostly gone. It's lip gloss. And when you start eating, and, you know, it wears off slowly throughout the day. So there's a little bit of the Essence lip liner left. And so you can see where that's left over. But the lip gloss itself, I mean, there's a little tiny bit of shine there, but not much. So as far as that goes, it's to be expected. It's nothing miraculous. This lip lifter does say it has hyaluronic acid. And so the implication would be that the more you use it, the better it is for your lips. So that's an over time thing that I can't really speak to right now. But I do like it though. I mean, I don't have high expectations for lip gloss to stay on very long. So I think it's great. So yeah, another thumbs up for me. I do like this one. There were lots of beautiful colors, so I would buy another one in a color next time and see how that lasts, especially in the summer. I like to wear lip glosses instead of lipsticks when I'm outside. So here's Bonnie, and it's time for us to say goodbye. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and for now, we're just going to say goodbye. Bonnie, we're going to say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, people. Bye-bye, people. I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye now.